Lamang sa'yo aking pangarap, kahit saglit ang ikaw at ako'y magkapiling. Minsan pa makita ka, damdamin ay sumasaya, lungkot napapawi, buhay ko'y ngingiti sa sandaling pag-ibig mo'y makamit. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inaasang tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang kailanman. Bawat kilos mo't galaw, minamasdan, tinatanaw, laging nangangarap kahit saglit. Ang ikaw at ako'y makapiling. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inaasang tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang kailanman. Kahit di malaman o maintindihan, kahit na masugatan ng puso, naghihintay sa'yo, maghihintay ako. Naghihintay sa'yo. Tanggapin mo puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Lamang ang inaasang tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang kailanman.
Announce our winners for the PMAP Idol. Are we ready? May I call on again, here in front of the stage, our 5 finalists for PMAP Idol. Kabado lahat, ayaw nang pumalakpak. Kaya ba natin yung mga dim the lights, please? Okay. Of course, to our 5 contestants here, all of you are winners. Having reached this far, all of you are already winners. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them again a warm round of applause. Wait. I'll be awarding the top three. The top three. I think we have to, what I have now is our PMAP idol. So I'll be needing our second and our third. So medyo suspense pa po tayo ng konti. Okay lang ba? Okay. While waiting for results, again, balikan muna natin itong mga 5 contestants natin. Anybody or a group that you'd like to thank?
Of course, I want to thank my CHR family, JG Summit Holdings Inc., and of course, PMAP for having us here.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank the PMAP for having this event. Thank you so much for inviting us over. And of course, I would like to thank my HR family, my Parkour family. Thank you so much for all the support.
Okay, similarly, I'd like to thank my PLDT HR family who are all here. And also, yan ding mga other MVP group. Yan. Salamat sa suporta. And to PMAP, PMAP committee.
Thank you sa PMAP para sa event. Tapos, thank you kay Mr. Atila yung nagsama sa akin dito. Tapos, yung mga taga-YGC, nandyan sila kanina. Asa na yun? Ayun. Thank you. Thank you sa palakpakan.
Una po, thank you kay God dahil sa binigyan niya ako ng mga bagong prime. Ito po sila. Tapos, second po sa First Philippine Holdings. Thank you po, tsaka sa lahat ng nandito na Lopez Group of Companies. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, we're ready. Let's dim the lights. Second runner-up. For the first ever PMAP Idol. Second runner-up, Estrella Araujo of PLDT. Ethel, please stay there. Can we cheer for our 4 remaining finalists here? Who would be the first ever PMAP Idol Cebu? Sino po ang kauna-unahan nating PMAP Idol? First runner-up, PMAP Idol. First runner-up, let's give it up for Olivia Destura of Pagcor. Diane, Jonathan, Rene, please stay at the front. Sino po ang maging kauna-unahan nating PMAP Idol? The crowd's going wild. Our first ever PMAP Idol, PMAP Cebu, is none other than to sing, of course, his or her winning song with a band. So the moment I announce the PMAP Idol, he or she will be singing us again his mentors or his or her mentor's pick. This year's PMAP Idol and the very first ever, let's all cheer for Rene Espinosa.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Dayan.
Mabay po kayo. Maraming pong salamat.
Sabayan po natin si Rene. Everyone.
Sabay po kayo. Minsan,
You can all stand, please.
ang sabi
Let's
niya
join
sa
in
akin
as we
sandali na lang.
celebrate our first ever Pinang
Akala
Idol,
ko
Rene
naman ay
Espinosa.
sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na namang nagbago ang isip niya. Hindi ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Inaasan niya lang ako.